Hello my crafty companions. In this video today I'm going to show you how to repair a ragged jeans hem. Now, believe it or not, I wore these jeans like this to get them raggy on purpose just so I can show you how to easily repair it, because sometimes people will think, right, that's it, can't do nothing with that. Well, let me show you what you can do. So, the other leg I've already unpicked. So, there you can see the raggy bit. And what I've done is I've used some iron-on repair tape on the inside. So, that's what I've ironed on the inside. And notice I've rounded the corners. That just keeps it neater, and it seems to stick better when it's got a rounded corner. So now then, these are the needles I'm using. So they're Hemline brand jeans needles, and jeans needles have a longer point on them, so it can go through multiple layers. The needle goes right through multiple layers before the thread does. Now then, the other thing you'll notice, and I've done this on purpose too, on the bobbin thread I've got that colour, and on the top thread I've got this faded denim blue. So that colour there was the closest I could match the original stitching, the original thread colour. So it's not quite right, but I think after a few washes, I think the indigo in the denim will bleed into that and make it look less obvious that it's a different thread. So first of all, so I've set my machine up for straight stitch, but only 2.5 stitch length. Because what we're going to do first is we're going to go over backwards and forwards on there. And I've got my nice little thread pot my friend made me. So let's get started. So you can see better on the wrong side because it's got the orange thread, what I've done. That closes the bit where it's ripped through. You see what I mean? So this is on the other leg that I haven't unpicked yet. You see the fabric has ripped right through. And what that does, so the patch holds it, and that's an extra bit of hold Now then, we're going to trim off a little bit because we're going to turn the hem twice so that it's shortened by that much. So we need to cut it there. So what we're going to do now, so that's that bit, we're going to fold it, so that's where that piece is, then we're going to fold it again. Oh, just remembered something. Just trim the side seam off a little bit. That just makes it a bit easier to go over. So that's what I've done. You can see there, look, just trimmed that excess off. And then we fold it twice, like that. So that's the repair. So we roll that twice. There we go. So that's it held in place. And I like to start on the inside leg seam. So now I'm going to increase the stitch length to 5mm. So I start just off of, and the other thing I like to do is I move the needle so that it's on the left hand side, so that the foot is completely on the hem. So here we go. So we've just got to the really thick bit on the side seam. So I'm going to slow the machine right down, and I'm going to hold the hem front and back. You can't really see where this hand is, but it's holding the back. And we're going to very, very gently and slowly ease that through. There we go. I'm just going to trim these loose ends off. And very carefully and gently go over this seam again. Okay, so that's us gone all the way round once. Now, I don't know if you can see. So there's that terracotta, the orange sort of terracotta colour thread right there. So what we're going to do is go round this twice so that it looks like the original hem, because the original hem would have been done on much thicker thread and on an industrial sewing machine. So we're going to go all the way round again. Right, let's see how it looks. looks a lot better than it did. It doesn't look exactly as original, but it's close enough. And it certainly looks 10 times better than that. So there's the two for comparison. So Raggy and repaired. So there we are. That's the little tutorial for today. And if you like this sort of video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like any particular sewing repair video, please leave us a comment and I'll do my best to produce a video tutorial all about it. So for the time being, thank you for watching and bye bye from Marina at the Haberdashery.